Hello everyone, welcome back to infyGyan. In this video, we have one very interesting question from radical expressions. Here we have to evaluate 3x plus 1 over cube root 6 times x. Let's say this expression is E. If x is cube root 4 plus cube root 6 plus cube root 9. So let us write x equal to cube root 9 plus cube root 6 plus cube root 4. Now we know that 9 is 3 square, 4 is 2 square. We can write cube root 3 square plus cube root 6 can be written as cube root 2 times cube root 3 plus cube root 2 square. Now we know that a power b whole power c. We can write a power c whole power b. Let's apply this property. So we can write cube root of 3 whole square plus cube root of 3 times cube root of 2 plus cube root of 2 whole square. Now if I will consider cube root of 3 equal to a and cube root of 2 equal to b, then x will become a square plus ab plus b square. And we know that one algebraic formula, a cube minus b cube, which is equal to a minus b times a square plus b square plus ab. So in this place, here we can replace by writing a cube minus b cube. Let us write a square plus b square plus ab equal to a cube minus b cube divided by a minus b. Let's write x is equal to a cube minus b cube over a minus b. A was cube root 3, b was cube root 2. So I can write here cube root 3 whole cube minus cube root 2 whole cube over cube root 3 minus cube root 2. Now cube root and cube will be over. So numerator will come out 3 minus 2. Denominator is cube root 3 minus cube root 2. Or we can write x will be equal to 1 over cube root 3 minus cube root 2. Let us consider reciprocal both sides. So I will switch numerator and denominator both sides. So we can write 1 over x will be equal to cube root 3 minus cube root 2. Now I will take this minus cube root 2 to the LHS. But before that, friends, if you are an Olympiad aspirant or planning to do preparation for SOF exam, CREST, Unicus, Silver Zone, ESSET, Indian Talent Olympiad, Hummingbird from grade 2 to grade 10, then Olympiad Success offers you live interactive sessions, PYQs, tests, and many more. Please check out the description box for further details and use referral code GYAN15 to get 15% discount. Let's come back to our problem. I can write 1 over x first. This was cube root 3 minus cube root 2. Now I can write 1 over x plus cube root 2 equal to cube root 3. Now I will consider cubing both sides. So power 3 and power 3. In RHS, cube root and cube will be cancelled out. And for LHS, we will use a plus b whole cube formula. So I can write 1 over x whole cube as a cube plus cube root 2 whole cube as b cube plus 3 times 1 over x times cube root 2 as 3ab times 1 over x plus cube root 2 as a plus b. RHS is 3. Now 1 over x plus cube root 2 is cube root 3. So I can write here cube root and cube will be over 1 over x cube plus 2 plus 3 times cube root 2 times cube root 3 over x equal to 3. Now I will subtract 2 or take this 2 to the RHS. So I can write 1 over x cube plus 3 times cube root 6 over x equal to 1. Now this equation I will write here 1 over x cube plus 3 times cube root 6 over x equal to 1. Now this is our required expression E. Now we have to achieve our expression E. So I will multiply both sides by x square. Let's multiply. So LHS will come out. X square times 1 over x cube. I can write here 1 over x plus x square times 3 times cube root 6 over x. So I can write 3 times cube root 6 times x, and right hand side will be x square. It is still not matching. Now I will take cube root 6 common out. So cube root 6 is common. So in the bracket, I will write this term first. So 3x will be there plus 1 over cube root 6 times x equal to x square. Now you can see this bracket is our required expression E. So finally we have cube root 6 times E equal to x square. So we have to calculate x square first, then we will divide by cube root 6 to get E. Let me write x cube root 4 plus cube root 6 plus cube root 9. Consider squaring both sides. Now I will write one formula a plus b plus c whole square. This is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times ab plus bc plus ca. So I can write x square will be cube root 4 whole square. I will write cube root 16. 4 square is 16. Cube root 6 whole square, cube root 36. Cube root 9 whole square, cube root 81 plus 2 times cube root 4 times cube root 6, cube root 4 times 6, 24 plus cube root 6 times cube root 9, cube root 54 plus cube root 9 times cube root 4, cube root 36. Now we can write cube root 16 as 8 times 2 plus cube root 36 plus cube root 81. We can write 27 times 3 plus 2 times cube root 24. We can write 8 times 3. 54 we can write 27 times 2. And then we have cube root of 36. Now cube root 8 is 2. Cube root 27 is 3. So we will use. So I can write cube root 8 as 2. 27 will come out as 3. 8 will come out from this cube root as 2. Same 27 will be out as 3. So I can write here 2 times cube root 2 plus cube root 36 plus 3 times cube root 3 plus 2 times in the bracket 2 cube root 3 plus 3 times cube root 2 plus cube root of 36. Once I will simplify our RHS, we will get 8 times cube root 2 plus 7 times cube root 3 plus 3 times cube root 36. This is our x square. Now I will write our equation. Cube root 6 times e equal to x square. So I can write e will be equal to 1 over cube root 6 times x square. So expression e will be 1 over cube root 6. Now x square we will write here 8 times cube root 2 plus 7 times cube root 3 plus 3 times cube root 36. So our answer which we can write 8 times cube root 2 over cube root 6. So can we write cube root of 1 over 3 plus 7 times cube root 3 over cube root 6. So we can write cube root of 1 over 2 plus 3 times cube root 36 over cube root 6. We can write cube root of 6. So this is our final answer. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.